To enable clients to respond quickly to situations that need attention, you must configure a VMS to detect problems and then send emails and text messages to the proper resources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a time profile. This allows you to have alarms on only at certain times. Under Rules and Events, right-click Time Profiles. Click Add Time Profile. Let's name it Night. Click the Name field. Right-click in the yellow day view. Click Add Recurring Time. We will start at 12 a.m. Click the Start drop-down list below Time Range. Click 12 a.m. Next, we will select the duration. Click the Duration drop-down list. Choose 5 hours from the list. We want this to happen every night, so we click the Daily option button. In this dialog box, we have options to limit the recurrence pattern and the range of recurrence. We will keep it daily with no end date, and click OK. You just saw how to create a time profile, which allows you to have alarms on only at certain times. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.